everyone and welcome to Stone's Adventures. Today we are going to be comparing all the bikes from the Oset to the PW, the KTM to the Honda 50. How much power they have and how tall they are and which one is right for you. We'll be testing them out in a backyard trail and out in our garden, and let's do it. Today we are going to be riding the Oset, which has the lowest seat and has a digital power switch, and it's easy for beginners and it's very silent. This is the PW50 and it's the next step up in terms of seat height and power. It's a two-stroke, but it doesn't have a lot of torque to get up big hills. Honda 50. It's slightly higher than the PW and it's got a lot more torque. Honda 4-stroke, semi-automatic, 3 gears that are easy to change. KTM 50 Mini. Automatic 2-stroke that's made for racing. This bike has the highest seat and by far it has the most power. about the Honda that it has a lot of power, and I like about the electric bike that it helped me to learn. And I like about the PW that it's of its shape, and I like about the KTM of all its parts race. The electric bike runs on batteries really quickly. I like about the PW that it doesn't have enough power to go up big hills, so I have to ride it on flat surfaces like a garden and flat fields. I don't like about the Honda that the brakes aren't as good as the KTM's and the suspension isn't good as the KTM's. What I don't like about the KTM that it overheats really quickly and it's very loud. I like the KTM because I enjoy riding it and it's my favorite color. What I like about the Honda is I can ride it lots of different places. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a like. See you in the next adventure.